This is a tale of a man who thought he had finally escaped his past. A new life, a new country, a fresh start. But when the past comes knocking, there's nowhere left to hide. A story of love, betrayal, family, ambition, and survival, told with the unmistakable humor and spirit of Jamaica. This is the story of Deportee.
I lie. It's a blue mountain time again. 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 Everybody know, boss the place, boss the place. Everybody know, just bust the place. Bust the place, bust the place. Everybody know, just bust the place. Laugh with your face, laugh with your face. Everybody know, laugh with your face. What me I go do? What me I go do? Me betrayal of my family them. And my friend them. Oh Lord, please, please forgive me. No immigration, I got to deport me back to Jamaica.
Clammy? It's us, let us in. We need to talk.
No!
Who's locked this bloody door?
No!
Clammy, open this door, we'll sort something out.
Plummy, come on, love, open the door, we just want to help you.
Clammy, come on, open this door, we can help you. You've helped us, we'll help you. England thanks you, Jamaica thanks you, we all bloody thank you. Open the door!
Plummy, this is ridiculous. We cannot help you unless you open this door now.
Come on, look, we can sort this out. Open the bloody door!
Right, that's it, I've had enough. Plummy, stand away from the door. Stand away from the door. Somebody! Plummy, come on.
What the bloody hell are you playing at?
She's dead.
What? Oh, for Christ's sake.
Ricochet must have killed her.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
What do we do now?
Look, get this off her. You use an unmarked gun.
Of course.
Right, we'll wipe it and leave it here. Jesus Christ. We'll bloody well lose this. Christ alive.
So what do we do now?
We're going to have to find another bloody informant.
Well, she's a hard act to follow. She helped us put away 150 yardies.
Right, you get another lot of scum together to look at. I'll call the coroner. Jesus.
Me want a big man to put it on and make me feel it.
Yo, this no right a blood clot, you know. 10 hours. Them can't treat people so. No, shut up, man, them can't hear you, know. So you think me care if them hear me? Me want them to hear me. See me passport, yeah? Me visa in order. See me visa, yeah, me are no thief. So where them a come detain man for?
So you can't stress for yourself so bad, boy.
Nobody a chat to your skettle, girl.
Skettle and for your mama.
Talk about my mother again. Talk about my mother again. You're going like see me and you sleep last night.
Would I never? You're too ratty, ugly.
You see if I never want him. Me come over there, come kick down your blood clot.
Who want him, boy? Me a bigger fish to fry than you.
Hello. Hello. Somebody call out my middle name. Darling, please don't call me name in vain, here. I'm the Batman around here. Okay, hello. Oh. What you to know? A girl like you, I would even use as toilet paper to wipe my body.
Why your man them a do it already?
Hey, yeah.
So when I want him found out when the blood clot, boy,
What touch your touch, bad man, boy?
In the name of God, what is wrong with this Uno? Imagine we in a foreign country and all you can do is disgrace yourself and Jamaica. Where is the pride?
Well, look how batty boy walk, you know. You make a little man over there so look straight.
You hear me? You see if you make it out a road, girl, I bet you kick down your blood clot.
Promise me that, boy. Anything when you feel you have for me, just promise me, all right? You sure I can make it out a door?
Hi, Lord. Lord.
Hey,
You stop me bickering now. Now you go and say, master, you just argue with the bitch. So you girl, stop argue with her now. Nobody a chat to your body, boy. But queer, what a way for your papa can chat. You hear me? My father and a fish. Speak for yourself, master, because you don't know who is who these days. I bet you me kick you down too, boy. Yeah, come kick me, boy. Come kick me. You see me, come kick me. Come kick me. Come kick me. Come kick. Hey, Batty, boy. I bet you me kill you. Master, carcass, you look pants, me done there already. So come kill me. Come kill me. Come kill me. Come kill me. Don't come up in my face, now. Your turn. Hey, you make a glad say in yes. Hey, I told you wouldn't even know. Hey, I told you. Hey, you come on here. You come on, master. Immigration.
Back in there! Get back in there!
Hey.
What the bloody hell do you think you're doing? Get back in there!
Hey, rub me down.
Get in there! What the hell do you think you are? Not in bloody Kingston now. Get in there!
Rough.
Stay here till you call one. You, come with me. Your passport. You're Fatima.
Yes?
Remove your hijab, please.
What? I cannot remove my hijab in front of a man.
I need to see your face to confirm the person in the photograph is really you.
I assure you it is me.
Yeah, well, I don't know that, do I? All I can see is your eyes through that black sheet over your head. How do you feel if I went out through the front door and only spoke to you through the letterbox?
Are you a member of a terrorist group?
I don't know. What does a terrorist look like?
Oh, come on, Fatima. Let's not play games. What are we supposed to think you dress like that? Hey! I'm talking to you. Now, we can do this the easy way or the hard way. Strip!
What? Are you threatening me?
Listen, this is our country and we have the right to extradite you back to yours at any time. So are you going to cooperate with us or not?
As a Muslim woman, I've got my rights.
You came from Afghanistan, a country of misogynistic Philistines. You have rights there?
That is not the issue here.
Oh, but it is. Tell me about Allah.
Is that necessary?
Absolutely essential. It's my job.
Well, what do you want to know?
Well, I know that Allah was an illiterate man. And that the angel Gabriel, a.k.a. the devil, came down off his mountain and for some reason only known to himself, gave Allah the Quran. Did you know that, Fatima?
Is this your British custom? To insult people's religion?
This is not your fucking country! That's why you're here! Now remove your hijab!
How dare you? How dare you?
Right, that's enough.
How
End
dare
tonight.
Don't
You go now, darling.
touch me! Don't
Yeah.
touch me! Oh, touch me! Don't! So much for your British justice. I hope Bin Laden blows the lot of you to hell.
Yeah. Heard it all before. Next.
Away I go.
Your passport. What is the purpose of your visit?
Sex.
Lord. Me body.
I come to find my father.
Oh, is he lost?
I see that you were born here.
Uh-huh. British true and true.
You carrying any contraband? You working for any Jamaican gangs?
Me?
Then why are you travelling on a Jamaican passport? Put down your bag and strip.
My boss and my party too. In front of the old pervert boy, what so? For what?
Because we say so.
I thought what this man after me, a smuggler, what?
Well, anything's possible with you people.
You want to end up like the last one, deported?
Oh, good grief. No need to take anything else off. Now bend over.
But for what? One.
See what drops out.
It's all right. Fat panai, my girl.
Eyes front, if you don't mind, sir.
Oh, no worry, darling. Me no worry. She no interested because me and she have the same thing.
Ah, yes. Can see exactly what I need to see from here. Stand up.
I want to one man what? I should touch my for man. What?
Ah. And what's this?
How that getting there, son?
Can you people not take responsibility for anything?
For my personal use.
Yeah, well, tell that to the judge tomorrow. You're going down to the holding cell.
You know what? Don't want to do it, because I'm British, me forgetting this now.
Yeah.
I feel. Go first time, I want you.
Next! What on earth are you doing?
Stripping. So that he can touch me anywhere he wants to.
Do I look like I'm of your persuasion?
Never knock it until you try it, darling. Anyway, it's never too late to come out.
Well-
Darling, you know that I'm an icon in my country.
Really? Well, why leave then? Come on.
That jealousy, darling. Jealousy. Them jealous of my body and my beauty. Men, they can be so cruel.
I assume you are declaring your homosexuality.
Shh, hush, darling. Mind you hurt yourself. Gay sound much more attractive and sexy than homosexual, don't you think? Whatever way you look at it, and that way.
And when did you first decide to become gay?
Decide, darling, please. I've always been gay. I was 16 to be precise. What a hunk he was. He was my first love. Take my virginity, and then him break my heart.
How?
Ha, darling, after me fling up and get the man, you know, him not leave me and go back to him wife. You see a ball, you see? A ball, so tell. You see me keep asking myself so many questions. Why? Was it me? What did I do so wrong? Me say me try everything to get him back, you know. Me write him letters. Him no answer them. Because I no answer letters them, me decide to write him some poems. Roses are red, violets are blue. No other hunk can do it like you. Yeah. Him still no answer me. Me send him everything. Me send him flowers, roses. You know most people flowers garden me brought down for send him roses, and him still up here in no mind. Me send him candy, me send him chocolate, me send him sweetie. Me send him fritters. Yeah? Darling, me I'll bake one pudding. With Isle of Tan with me in I go give him, and him still no come back. So when me say nah, pay me no mind, me go confront the woman. Darling, you want to see how him left me for too? You want to see her? Me say she fat. She blood clot fat. Yeah? So me confront her and say, me want back me man.
Well, the suspense is killing me. What happened then?
What happened? Then give me a piece of beating, you see. Darling, me say them beat me. Them broke up all part of me. Them broke my hand, them broke my foot. Even my main asset, them broke up. Yeah? You can imagine if that happened to your daughter. What would you do? Everywhere I go, I was persecuted.
Well, did you not seek police protection?
Darling, the police, them did I beat me? Hello. Between me and you know, me's a big Jamaican minister. A minister with portfolio. Yeah? You see when him realize I'm never dead, him send back him man them to come kill me. Never take up my drawers in my hand and run. Yeah? Me never stop running until me reach you, so. So you know what now? Me can't go back out there. Because me go back out there no more, kill me. So me I seek asylum.
Right, okay. Well, as interesting as this case is, I'm afraid we can't help you here.
What do you mean I can't? Darling, what do you mean I can't help? Me can't go back up and say me go dead. Darling, before me come, you see, let me tell you something. Before me come, me go look on the website, you hear? And the website say, once me say me I seek asylum, me have to process my case, me say. So you hear? Right. Darling, the law was changed, it was made in the Geneva Convention in 1926. And then they amended again.
All right.
You hear? Darling, you never know that.
Right,
I'm just going to send you down to political asylum. Get your bag, go on.
Okay, darling. So what? No, so why you not take me?
No, not him.
Come take me, have rum, yeah? Come take me.
On your way.
Rough man. Where from me, no like a sharp man to your sheet, move.
Next!
Yo, now hear me. You no can send me back now, you know. Cause no blood clot man now come feel me up.
Oh dear. We have a right bad man here, don't we? A real yardie. Lose those. Your passport. Just your passport, sir?
What do you mean if my passport? No me that in a picture.
Are you sure, sir? Doesn't look like you at all. This passport's a fake.
Look, you man, my passport is not fake. Me pay a man 50,000.
Do continue, sir. Do continue. How much is it? 50,000? My word. Aren't passports expensive these days?
Oh, this is a blatant forgery. The picture's been changed and the name's been tampered with. Hang on a minute. Portia Simpson Miller? It's your country's Prime Minister.
Hello. Oh, Jano Star, you know, say the wrong passport me pick up. The one you for my cousin. Well, she's not my real cousin still, but...
Please don't cry, sir. Now, can you read and write?
I mean, if me can read and write.
Read what's on that. In your own time. They can't help you. Upside down.
No, that's why I couldn't read it.
I. Yes, I. Bravo. It's a vowel.
Sure.
I swear. The words I swear?
I-
Oh. So they don't have schools in Jamaica?
Look, you know, ma'am. It look like I should, Tony.
The people of this great country have the right to be protected from the likes of you.
I want to know that.
Strip. Your name isn't really Simpson Miller, is it?
No.
So what's your real name?
Delroy Crooks.
Delroy Crooks. Ah, here we are. Delroy Crooks, a.k.a. Spider or Shotass. Member of the notorious One Order Gang and a PNP activist. Responsible for numerous murders in your country.
Strip.
I want you, man. No. Oh, them suck me on the right, you know, star.
Bend over.
Yo, bend over to him. I want you, man. I want the blood clot. I hear me still, star. You're violating, no, man. Yo, just cool, no, man. Ease me up, no, man. Me do anything for me, you know. School, no.
Can you think of any reason why we would let you stay? You entered this country illegally on forged documents. Therefore, you will be placed on the next available flight back to Jamaica as a deportee.
You mad, you man. They won't kill me down there. I want it, you know. All right. What happens if I tell them so I can help you? Eh? I know which part all of the yard gang them live, you know. And me know which part them hang out in London, Birmingham, Nottingham, Bristol. And me know which part them keep them jobs. I'm farmer.
Roy Crooks. Wait over there.
Thank you, sir.
Next!
Next, that is me coming up. We're not going. Step aside. Hello. Good day to both of you, and may God bless you. Bless you. Yes.
Gloria Graham.
That is correct, ma'am. Mrs. Gloria Graham. But everybody call me Miss G.
Right, Miss G. Well, I can see from your records here that you do visit Jamaica quite often, once a month. Could you care to tell us why?
That is correct, Mom. I go to Jamaica once every month because, you see, Jamaica has the lovely sunshine. And they also have the aloe vera plant,
Alright.
which is very good to stop the arthritis in the knee.
Okie
And the
dokie then.
coconut water.
Okay,
Yes.
on your way, go on,
Thank
no
you very
worries.
much. And may God
Yeah.
bless you, bless you,
Yeah.
bless you.
Alright.
Eh,
Thank
eh, eh, eh.
Next.
Informer boy, you still there?
You got anything to add, boy?
I'm not a boy, I'm a man.
Well, that remains to be seen. Your passport.
Yo, you know say them thing you no fear. You can't treat people like them animal, you know. What that for?
Well, if you don't think it's fair, Air Jamaica's just through that door. Good. What is the purpose of your visit?
My mother dead, I'm come for bury.
English! For God's sake, speak bloody English!
We're here to bury my husband's mother.
Thank you. What is your trade in Jamaica?
Policeman.
Oh, so you're a thief.
You know I resent that remark.
Don't care. How long you been with the police?
I was a policeman.
You've stolen enough to run away, have you?
You're taking this too far.
Was I talking to you, madam?
Listen, me now. Me tell you already. Me come here to bury my mother, right? So you should at least treat me with a little respect.
Well, in what way are we even remotely similar? I am British. You are Jamaican. You'd sell your mother to the devil if she wasn't dead already. That with you?
She's my wife.
Why did you answer him?
Who gives you the right to speak to us like that? Is it because of your color? Do I look like I'm begging you anything?
That remains to be seen. Strip, the pair of you.
You mad? Eh? My wife's 6 months pregnant. How you expect her to strip all in front of the boy there over there, so?
Is the baby yours, sir?
How you just ask me, man?
Are you deaf?
It's an appropriate question. Or perhaps...
Perhaps what?
Yeah.
Well, are you even really pregnant?
It's for me to know and for you to find out.
Violent and aggressive behaviour towards routine questioning. I can assure you, madam, I'm not even remotely interested in your personal life. Just my job.
To disrespect people?
May I remind you that although behaviour of this nature may be acceptable in Jamaica, it is not tolerated towards my colleague in this country.
Look in my passport. Look in it. Indefinite leave to remain in the UK. You don't have to send me a text message to remind me that I am supposed to leave. I am legal.
Well, that could just as easily be revoked.
Try it. Go and try me, soon Ross in here
Ah,
today.
you people, you can never tell the bloody truth.
I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that.
And you breed like rabbits.
I want to speak to your supervisor.
I'm sure you just misunderstood, madam.
I am the supervisor.
Well, I'm sure you have a superior. I'd like to speak to him. I'd like to make a complaint about you.
Will you be cohabiting with your spouse whilst in the UK?
Spokes are for my wife on a bicycle.
You have previously declared that in Jamaica you worked as a policeman and you don't know what the word spouse means.
Spouse?
Jesus.
Oh.
Are you also incredibly stupid over there? No, please don't answer that. That's what's called a rhetorical question. Let's try again, shall we? Will you be cohabiting with your spouse whilst in the UK?
Yes. We will be living together as man and wife.
Thank you. Thank God. Someone with half a brain. You must be a very rare prize on your island. Well, that's all. You and your husband may go. Welcome to the UK. Do have a nice trip now. Right, decuff him and go and get yourself a cup of tea. Right, come over here. Come over here. Right, this is how it is. We will provide you with accommodation. We will provide you with money. We will provide you with a car. We will provide you with a phone. You will give us names, you will give us addresses, phone numbers, you will give us deals. And we will look after you.
We will look after you, Spider. But one fuck up, and you're straight back to Jamaica.
Thank you, Lord, for sparing our life to see another beautiful day. Thank you, Lord, for my loving husband. Lord, may I beg you to touch our daughter so that she can see the error of our wicked ways. Give her the strength, Lord, to give us beautiful grandchildren. And Lord, may I beg you, touch her so that she can leave that squint-eye black boy when them call Jamal. Thank you, Jesus. Amen.
G, you can't pray like that, man. You can't pray a bad prayer for the boy like that.
There is no prayer that is bad. Eat up.
All right. But man, you can't pray for the boy. One the boy. Anyway.
Lovely.
Hey, nice. You know what?
Thank you very much. You're always a loving husband. Wipe your mouth.
Thank you, darling. You know what? After all these years,
yes,
you still cook a wonderful soup. Very nice. You know, you chose them a little bit tough. But yeah, right, do it fast. G, you know what I was thinking?
Yes.
I was thinking, you know, before we pass away and leave this earth, we should do a little something.
What you mean?
We should have a little sex.
What? But then the master just shut your mouth and drink your soup, yeah?
But G, man, a long time now we don't do nothing, you know.
Where you going? Sit down. Sex is for young people. We are too old for those things.
La G, man, G. Sometimes, you know, when I look at you, you know, especially when I look at you from behind, you know, G, my little Jimmy, I ain't get a part on a party, you know. Hey, G, feel ya? Feel ya, G?
No, I can read the Bible. Read the Bible. A scripture a day keeps the devil away. No, we have given ourselves to the Lord. We cannot do those things. Come on and be able to.
So Christian not do it too, eh? Come on, man, come. My name is Holy and take you, know.
That's what? You put anything down there for that?
Come no, G, man.
I am just a trophy wife to you all time.
Trophy? I which ratty contest me and have to win you in eh? You know, in that case, I should have taken second prize. Eh?
What has got into you wrong?
Not me yet. Listen to me. Use my wife. And I don't want to fight you for nothing. You hear? All right. I tell you what. You see like how you did this, so? No matter move. You just steer. Just steer. Aye. Just steer right. Aye. Just steer right. Aye.
Suppress those feelings that you have for me and go upstairs and take a cold shower. You hear me? Come. Mr. Me done with them.
Wait, me not done with him, man. Fix good, man. You
up on the table. When we just not. When we just don't eat the food that the Lord prepare. Come on. Me say no. Me never know if the leg them can still open up.
All right. Let me take you back way.
No.
Come on, man.
Suppose you breed me.
Breed you. Oh, man. You are 70 years old. You don't pass your breed by date long time, yeah? Come on, man. Just...
So what about your heart?
No, my heart. Make it kill me.
No. Me say you must stop. Me say you must stop.
Just on the edge.
Satan is among us tonight.
On the edge.
I must not give in to temptation. Lord, forgive me for being weak. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.
Come on, blood. Damn it, man. Well, I want. I'm my shepherd too, and I want. Look at this more rat in you, man. Look how you make me like a beg like me or some damn cold pervert.
Don't shout at me.
Why am I not shout at you? What do you want me to do? Look, What you want me to do? Stay here and just bop me fish? Hey, look at me and Miguel. Not one line left of me and Miguel. Me tired of do that now. You hear? Me tired. All right. I tell you what. Me sorry for shout at you, you see? Since as you don't want me put it in, because you're afraid that me might hurt you. Help me out here. Give me a little blow job, Joe. Come on, man. Just rub the sauce of company. Come here, G, man. Come on, man.
Put my mouth on that thing. Never.
Me can't tell you tomorrow, rass, you know, man. Me frustrated, man, you know. Might as well me go take the new Viagra eye drops. Eh? I mean, it won't help me down there, but at least it will make me look hard.
We're going to wash out your mouth, you right?
Wash out which mouth? Anything I can wash out? Anything my mouth I can wash out? Eh? Gee, what you want me to do? Look, we don't dead yet, you know. Suppose the Lord not ready to take we yet. And so we are going to say, yeah, do nothing. Eh? Look, I am still a man, and I still have feelings, even if you don't. Yeah? Look at you when I'm talking to me. I have not made love to you, in over 10 years. I may be old, but me no cold.
All right, then how about a hug?
Hug? A pussy me want.
Jesus, have mercy, Lord. Have mercy. Have mercy, Jesus. Have mercy. No, he's not responsible for what him just said, Lord. Have mercy. Ooh. Aye. You're right. You're right. Tell me something. You remember all of that? Cheese and crap, you know. Cheese is foolish and worried about instead of you having those solid feelings for me.
You know, I have lived with you for over 40 years. And I still don't know you. You know, so I think you love me, but sometimes.
But what?
You have changed, man. You have changed. You know, you have become a twisted bitter old woman. Keep living in the past, nothing about the future.
What future can there be for us, you I? Look at you. You cripple. You have high blood pressure, lupus. What future are you talking about?
Listen, man, I will not accept that. Look, we still have health and strength and each other.
You're talking foolishness.
I will not accept that as the only option. What about the future?
We are all. Out you coming to bring sex to me at your age? You remember what happened to you the last time you tried this?
Yes. And your sister, she won't be me and cause me to lose my nature. Yeah? And she did.
Well, no matter with it, you hear me?
And she caused it. I remember, it was a night just like this one here. Me there, after me drink up my Guinness and my Red Bull, I'm ready to put on this time, all of a sudden, yeah? Just like I know, me just start kiss your neck, and then me start nibble your teeth. Yeah. As soon as you're here, right? Yeah? Me say, all of a sudden the cocky just drops up. Yeah? And no matter what me do, me couldn't get jiggy again. Yeah?
That's because you're the junk.
Me the junk? Gee, you know say as soon as I come near to you, me ready for action. Me say all night, me lie down and me ball, how the cocky just dead. And the next man make it up, and me look at little Jimmy. Jimmy get up so, and he get up for half a minute, and then he just drop to again. Yeah? Well, you know, I'm getting no, you know, I'm getting
you run. We are too old for this, now. We are too old.
As God is my weakness, me I get pum pum in your head.
You're right, Mr. The Pum Pum sees up.
And my pum pum, me and sleeze it.
You're right.
Well, I pum pum my prison today, you hear?
You're right. All right. Then take it.
As the good lad say, if at first you don't succeed, suck again. Oh yeah, you take me again. Me want it, man. Me take it. Me take it out. You just lie down there. Aye. Whew. All right. Oh God. Whew. Say. Give me a minute. Whew. All right. Me try the next side. Oh God. Whew. Aye. Oh. Okay. Charles. You say you make it dead? Eh? All right, I tell you what. Let me just fold you up and put it in. Let me just fold you up and put it in. Oh God, back here. Eh? Look how the pum pum wet. And you're going like you don't want it. Eh? Look at that.
That's because me just don't piss up myself.
Amen. Amen.
What happened to you?
Your daughter just walking. Your daughter just walking. I pray.
Come on. My daughter cannot see us like this.
All right. Wait.
Come on. Give me my baggie.
Wait. Oh, yeah. All right.
Take your time. Give me the baggie. Baggie. Quick.
Oh, God.
This is embarrassing. Come and help me.
Help you what? Wait, man, why you take care of it? You will put your hand back. You know what's that? Oh, God.
This is embarrassing you, Roy.
Hey,
Our daughter must not see us like this.
All right.
Come on.
Take it.
Come on.
Hey, oi, in anywhere. Where you make up your face and I walk out for? How you think you come into this world, eh? You think I head got you? Eh? You know?
Your father loses mind, child.
I know it may want to lose though. Okay.
What are you doing here? Eh? How much time is telling you if you come back in my house, black boy?
Salam alaikum, mother. Peace be unto you. There's no need to disrespect a brother.
Up in my house. I can disrespect you anytime I choose. Bianca, why don't you find a nice high-color white man?
So, Miss G, isn't your husband black?
There is black and there is black. Bianca, look at all the trouble that he has put you through. Did I tell you it was okay for you to sit in my house?
He's my guest.
I don't care. His type only know to kill off people. He's envious of you because you're not black like him.
What? G, give boy a chance, man. What about your good old Christian talk? Eh?
Yes, ma'am, just get off his case. You get me?
Why are you speaking to me like some careless little street girl? You get me? Eh? You went to good school, and furthermore, I didn't bring you up like that to talk like that. He is not welcome here. You get that?
Whatever.
Miss G, I've made some fundamental changes in my life. And with the help of Allah, I will continue. I do love your daughter.
Changes. You're terrorists. Infidel. You are the one that got her and crack in the first place.
For that, I am truly sorry. But Allah has shown me the light.
Allah, me don't care who show you light. Allah or Buddha. Sorry, don't make what you did right.
Oh, G, look, every man deserves a second chance.
Not him. Not after what him put we and our daughter through. Him is Satan.
It wasn't entirely his fault. I made a choice, a bad one.
Him had the bad choice.
Miss G, I have surrendered myself to Allah. Praise be unto Him. I do love your daughter. And if she will have me, I'd like to make her my Nubian queen.
You're what? Well, let her go.
No.
Let her go. Let her go.
Calm down.
I have been married now to you, Roy, for 40 years. Never had another man, nor wanted one since.
Right.
Now this is what you call love.
All right, G, all right. All right. Look, for my sake, give me a second chance.
No. Look, I am old enough. I can look after myself. I know what I want, and that is Jamal.
Okay.
Allah be praised.
Bianca, come here to me.
Why should I come to you? You don't care about me. All you care about is yourself. Look at what you've turned me into.
Why are you trying to hurt me?
Because sometimes you can't even see yourself.
Miss G, I've come for your blessings.
Move your anorexic mouth out of my house.
G, shut up and don't talk to the boy like that.
Shut up and don't speak to me like that. This is my house.
Miss G, if it wasn't for Bianca, I wouldn't know what love is. Bianca, thank you for being there for me, for being so patient and understanding and loving me. Thank you.
Poetry, boy. Poetry. It's so good.
I don't believe one word that you just said.
Anyway,
I don't know,
it's so
mark
good.
my word.
It's so good.
This black boy is a trickster and a liar.
His name is Jamal.
And he will be your downfall. He only wants to marry you because he's an illegal immigrant. You know how many times I set him up, report him to the police, plant drugs in his car. What? Be a man to kill him? What did you expect me to do? He almost got you killed. You are my only child. What Jamaicans know about love and loyalty? Nothing.
But I have given my life to Allah.
Well, not even Allah. No one had not stinking shit like a you don't make her.
G, I am ashamed of you.
Let she who is without sin cast the first stone.
Me no care you, Roy. The boy is the spawn of Satan.
What makes you so self-righteous? How can I prove to you that I am worthy for your daughter?
Kill yourself.
What? How can you wish my man, or anyone else dead for that matter? You're like a parasite, an evil, vindictive bloodsucker. As of today, I'm no longer your daughter. You know, I know you're trying to manipulate me and that, you know, but not anymore. Look, mother, I'm off it. I know you don't believe that I'm off the drugs, but I am off it. And I know what I want in my life, and that is Jamal. And if you don't like it, pow!
He left you in some back alley over 100 miles from your woman Answorth with needles stuck in your arm. You panted down to your ankle. You covered in vomit when we found you. Him leave you for dead. And you want me to forgive him for what he did to you? That I cannot and I will not do.
That was a dark moment in my life. But Elijah Muhammad has found me and put my feet on the right path.
Me don't care who found you. You could have called an ambulance for her. And me don't care what right you or your bulla friend do by her. This mother can never forgive you.
But you can't blame me for everything.
There we go again. That is what me no like about you no black people. Who don't never accept responsibility for anything. It's not my fault. It wasn't me. Well, I am here to tell you that it is your damn fault. Now, will you please get out of my house?
You know, you're right. I've lied, done drugs, lived off prostitution, been in prison. Have you ever been in prison? Well, I have. Many times. And I am not proud of it. I have been raped every night for 6 years, over and over. Miss G, I cried so much for it to be over that in the end I gave up crying. Because it didn't matter what they did to me anymore. Because I found Allah. And I can now put my hand on my heart and say that I'm a changed man. But can you do that, Miss G?
Yeah, look smart if you feel sorry for you. You right? Kick him out.
But G, him can't take no kick, you know.
You have to laugh for peace, soup. Eh? Me saying to me, you have kick him out and tell me about your knee. Kick him out.
She turned to drugs because of you, not me.
Hey, look, young man, you pass your place now, man.
Him don't talk. Me say him don't talk. You must kick him out, you Roy.
Come out.
Listen, when Bianca was 15, you took her to Jamaica to marry a man who was 50 years her senior. The man you were having an affair with. She ran to me, a little black boy, for help. You only let her down that I didn't have the skill to help her.
Huh? I know you are pass your place.
Yes, kick him out.
She put me through hell to marry her lover and bring him back to England. To carry on her sordid affair behind your back. She said if you ask me, I should say it was my uncle.
Now tell me, Miss G, where is the right and wrong in that?
Where the backside I go on, ya G?
It's not everything that you can tell a man.
What you talking about? We're not married.
Bianca, again you betrayed me. A woman must only give a man information on a need-to-know basis. You, Roy, never need to know.
He does. He's my dad.
Will you stop talking about me like say me no there? Eh? How it never come to this? Another man?
I loved him.
Listen to me, Georgie. Listen to me now. I have been with you now for 40 years, here, and I never ever lift a finger to you. But if you go talk like that, I'm going to thump your belly button.
Come, you, Roy. I say you must come. Come and do it, you are. Come and do it. Because you want to see me cry, but I will not give you that satisfaction. And I am not ashamed of what I did.
I feel so sorry for you. Because you can't even see that what you did was the most sinful thing. Giving away your own child like some slave.
That is why she took drugs. To get away from you. You give Christians a bad name.
Get out! Get out! All of you get out.
Another man.
I tried to protect all of you. He wanted to come to England.
So that's why you have a fear with him?
No,
huh?
He thought he was gay, so I
fucked him.
I tried to tell you, Roy.
Another man.
But he tried to tell you and to tell my pastor. And although I tried to end the relationship, that's what he tried to do.
Another man. So you need...
And that is why I forced you to marry him.
Another man.
All stupid mother.
You never realized I trick you, boy. I trick you.
But see my man there? I will never lie to him. Ever. Dad, how do you put up with such a lying, cheating witch?
Another man. Another man.
In truth, we need your help. We have some money saved.
How much?
We have 3,000 pounds saved. We see a little house that we like and...
3,000 pounds? What, Dolly house?
No. We're putting an offer, but we are short of the deposit.
Well, illegal immigrants cannot buy property in my country.
Don't worry, mother. When I get married to him, he won't be illegal anymore.
Him is a deportee. Hold on. So that is the plan? To thief my money through my daughter.
This is not about you, mother. It's about us. All we need is 10,000 pounds.
And where we must get it from? All our money went on getting you better.
Come on, mother. You know you can afford it.
Well, Miss G, I won't beg you, but if you have the money, well...
You there? We don't have no money.
But G, we have our 50,000 pounds in our Barclays where we don't even touch yet.
You, Roy? Was I speaking to you, you Roy?
No.
Then shut your blasted mouth. What I put aside is for a rainy day.
But G, you have global warming.
I said to shut up. It's crack you're going to buy with it.
Mother, how many times am I going to tell you? We are off it.
I have done enough for you, child.
All right, me will lend him.
No, you're not touching a cent in my book.
Your book? What about you tell me about your book? What about my book? Money I work I put in that book as well. Go woman. Look, the Lord will bless you.
No, you Roy. You cannot.
Mother, why don't you just let go of your hate?
Allah be praised. No, my queen. No matter what our parents do, we must honor them.
Even when she behaves like this?
Yes, Bianca.
Look at her. You have never worked a day in your life. You've always been a kept woman. Shut up! Every time you open your mouth is I. You didn't achieve all this by yourself, did you, mother?
You have no right to speak to me like that. I gave you, Roy, 40 years of my life, and yes, I worked. I cooked, I cleaned, I kept house for him. I gave birth to you, his daughter. And when he was sick, I nursed him back to health. So I work and I work damn hard. And I deserve every penny that I kept from him.
Oh, so that didn't give of himself as well.
You hear that? You hear that? You hear I do? You hear what she say? She deserves every penny where she keep for herself. Eh? Out of my money. She deserves every penny she keep.
You think some are going to make any year outside people them come near me out?
Why you always have to bring them up? Why? You always using them against me. Eh? Listen, I admit that I make a mistake. But that is in the past, man. That is long gone.
Mistake them is your legacy. First time mistake, second time purpose, third time you will fully do it.
Are you cause it? Yeah, are you cause it? Yeah, you is that a easy woman to live with, you know. You're too damn nagging. You're nagging. I admit, I didn't really set out to hurt you.
But you did, you Roy, you did.
Are your fault? Yeah, are your fault? Are you why never go to road and look, man? If you have free up the porky at night time, is it? Me never go look, yeah? A man can live pum once every 4 months, yeah? If me get like, don't she me a box, don't she me a no foul, yeah? If me get like once every other night, you ain't so bad, yeah? But every time me every week, if you come back home, it mistake no man.
You Roy. You cannot discuss our personal life like that in public.
With public? Me don't public, me in my own house. With me daughter and me boy-in-law. Yeah? So me don't public. Yeah? Don't tell him to she. Yeah? Listen to me. When you're dead, you can't carry the money with you, you know. Yeah? You can't carry the little dry up porky, but you can't carry the money. So let them.
When I die, all of my savings and my property is going to the church.
The church? What has the church ever done for you? All it has ever done, mother, is imprison your mind. That's all it's ever done for you.
Don't you love Bianca?
Don't question the boy. Where you gonna find money for pay a mortgage? Your work.
Well, I have a book coming out soon.
Me rotted.
It will be called Affirmation of Love. My life in the shadow of the prophet.
Young prophet, you know. Have a prophet from me and my daughter. Thief my money. Tell me something. The Bible are the only book worth knowing. You hear me? Tell me, what you are going to do when the book get flop? You are going to run and let me daughter again?
No, miss.
All right. Listen to me. I'm going out for a drink, right? I don't want you to wait up for me, you hear? And I will lend them the money. Come, Bianca. Come on, what's your name? Arafat, come. I will lend them the money.
Come here to me, you Roy. Where you get money from?
Money I work and keep for myself.
Listen to me. And listen carefully. They must work and suffer like we did in the beginning. They must get rid of the freeness mentality. You see, if you ever lend them any money, so help me God, and make you pay with your life. Are you clear on that, old boy?
Yes, old gal. Crystal clear.
You know, see me, I just hear this, man. Come on, money there. Where my money there?
Oh, boy, you want to say
No, me don't want to say. I want to collect and count, man.
Then that me I go explain to you
No,
one to the money.
explanation, you know. I'm a money I want. A long time you have it, Friday. I don't make me have to do something saying, give me my money, right? Just make sure I get my money.
So you deal with me, so. I don't like how you know what, talk to me proper, you know. I don't like how you talk to me. I want to go, man. You have to deal with man, so I deal with man proper, man. I want to you. You come and talk to man about we make it. Hey, I want to you, man. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Kill that what you're lucky it's my birthday today. Yeah, man. 60-year-old look like 30 and feel like 50. Don't fuck with me. You hear me? Make sure me have my money today. By midnight or else.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yo, you can't do them something then. I want to you.
Oh, yeah, discipline yourself, my youth. How you deal with? Make sure me get my money or else.
You know what? Don't worry yourself. We make you get your money.
You better make sure.
Why? You don't believe me?
Believe. Believe, kill and believe, cure.
You know, me always think you was a kind man.
Kind? You hear me? Pick up a bees out of kindness and learn the limitation of that bee's kindness. Hold on.
So why? You don't trust nobody?
Nobody.
You don't trust not even yourself?
Not even myself, because that is when I'm most dangerous.
Alright, tell me something. Like how you not trust yourself, then how you have sex?
My youth, you say to me now, sex is like a bodily function, like flatulence or defecation.
I want to you. You know the only reason why you're going to.
Go on, tell me.
Because you never get all the work from all the spider yet.
What you say?
How we are talking?
So what? You're a cox man?
Cox man. Hey, you know what the girl them call me?
Tell me now.
The vagina done.
What?
How we are talking about? Yo, it's like while today your birthday. Me that carry up on one of them back room that we have round there, you know.
What?
Yeah, how we are say? And you see when me spread out all the two old leg them pan 9:15. And you see when me start whippy and wappy and drop. Remember me tell me make you start climb all the wall.
What? You see like how you sound like you're good?
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give you the work tonight.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see if you can make me come 2 times pan straight, so whop. I cancel the date. What you say? Say something no, man. It look like, tell me, man, what you say? Deal or no deal? Look like you wait for the banker for call.
All right, tell me something. Suppose you don't come 2 times pan straight. Whap, then whap.
Let me not forget kill you, my youth.
Yeah, you hear me? Don't have for the argument. Them not the pan where you're the pan. Forget about that something.
So what?
Yeah, where me the pan. Yeah, where me the. More and boss are married, so me can legal up in that.
What a way you just a switch from me. You know what? Make me see Moon and Star again. Man like you love run off in the mouth and you can't do nothing.
Cool, no man. All right, me don't know, so.
All right then. I deal with business.
Business, me.
One bus a marriage.
Yes.
No cost you £10,000.
£10,000 for what? When we forget them money they from go.
What you mean? Now you are the vagina, man.
You the school no go, man. See with me no, man. No school no, man. Yo, watch ya. A 6 times them dip me already, you know. And you know, say Babylon, them a watch me.
You know that. Them a watch me too. £10,000, take it or leave it.
I like how you chop.
Watch your youth. I don't want you end up like your mother, you know.
Mama, you didn't know my mother?
Everybody know Plummy Williams, man. Biggest informer in England, that.
Yo, hear me. Don't talk about my mother, you know.
Come here and run it off.
School, man. I want to chop.
You come here and do the same thing, watch me out. You start betray your friend, them a turf warrior start. You know?
I want you. Me not going to end up like my mother. I come to England to make some money.
I like you, no. I like you. You're ambitious. Go hear me now. Don't make nobody know say Plummy your mother, you know. Or else I dead, you're dead. Remember that.
How much for your gun?
You have somebody to kill?
That's none of your business, man. I want it for my protection.
We don't sell gun around here. We rent them. $1,000 a day and shot separate.
You know, say some extortion business. Yeah? You know, it's all right. Forget about it. Just scoop your boy.
I'm going to start you, right? Just shoot some man pull me go back time, you know? I'm going to start you out still. I'm going to ask you something.
What?
You say you're me, they are true?
Might be.
Might be. You tell me an idiot. Watch my you. I know everything what go on, you know. I don't know say me go down and bring you up and sort you out and everything. I know that. Me everything what go on out of the airport that day there. Nothing no pass me. Use your head, my youth. She a British, you know. Married to her.
You're mad, somebody. I want you, man. Me no marriage material.
Now you care about that?
Yo, just school no, man. Me come like Playboy magazine. You know much man look up in that?
Use your head, my youth.
What you mean?
Get smart. How much time you said then deport you?
About 10 times. Yo, just school no, man.
Yeah, my man. Sweet her up, nice her up, and make you do anything you want. Married to her.
Man, she go come like cow teeth.
Oi, look after yourself. Hey, watch her. Carry down at the Anglican church up at Brixton Hill. See? Make sure you go there 3 Sunday pan straight. Make sure say them read out your proper name every morning. Make friend with everybody, especially the vicar. You see on the 4th Sunday, You're married to her. 3 years later, paper come through, dump the bitch.
As easy as that?
Yeah, man.
So tell me something. Why you do this to me?
Me no don't tell you already, man. You. I like you. Plus, my owe your mother. Hey, you see a little arrangement here. That's something I do every week, you know. I know say it can work. Me normally charge fees still, but you see like you. That one you know. So you're there.
I like
Yeah.
I want you. What do you mean want to me?
Oh yeah, easy.
What do you mean when me are
Spider, easy man, easy.
You're just cool now, man. I
Yo,
want
Spider,
Spider. That me like with the
easy.
No, man, hold on.
Spider-Man, come on, you right. You're drunk, you know. All right, Spider, low it. You right, you're drunk. Come on, man. Come go home to your wife.
Wait.
I won't call a taxi for you. Come on, man.
I didn't know me. Where am I doing this to? Where am I doing this to?
Come go home.
I shoot.
Come go home, man. Come on. Go home.
I shoot him or shoot me this
Yo,
too.
go home, man. Call a taxi for him. Yo.
What?
I want you.
What do you mean want to? Yeah, hear me, man. And them something they always are going with, you know. Let me call them old man, they come down all the night time and I wind up and you throw all money in your clothes and all them something. You have to stop them things there now, man. I want you. You think some man like them something there. You have to stop now, man. I want you.
You hear me something like when I talk to no girl? Me know I talk to no girl. You hear me say?
Me.
Me no matter who them be, me know I talk to them. Want
Everybody knows that you are a prostitute.
I'm a hostess. An entertainer, what about that?
And every 10 minutes another man entertain himself and jump up on you. You think say me like that?
Well, if you want me to stop, Spider, make me an honest one. Make me an honest one if you want me to stop.
Make you honest, man? With fear elasticated self?
Yo, Spider, want to my you. You're a fucking idiot.
You know. Go. Now deal with me, man. You hear me say?
I am a little girl. You see if you have something to say to me. Come over here so come say it to my face. That face, yeah.
Yo, you're my employer, you know. And this not nothing to do with you, you hear me? So between me and Spider. That Spider might only be able to tell this a shit house where you call walk.
Go away. A husband, you look, girl. Go away.
Come on.
You look a meal ticket. Come out of here.
So the thing set up about that. Having babies, well him. That means he's mine and mine alone. And when me, no want him no more.
You see, yo, something wrong with you, little girl. I don't know what it is yet. But when I find out, I will phone you and tell you. You idiot.
Yo, Spider.
What?
How you want me to do? You want me to stop dance? Go on.
No. Look like you enjoy the work. Job satisfaction.
How that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
Oh, because you make me at this, you know.
Me?
I mean, this like you never know me used to live with a girl she left me.
So why you never go back to him?
Cause me like what you do it. Rough and hard as a vagina, Dan.
But you know, say, me never mind share you do, you know.
You don't love me? You don't love me? Oh, so every night when me used to ball out on me, I'm not sleep. You know my sleep when me a mad woman and the man get one box up a mad time, you never love me then. Oh, I'm not wrong him now. I shouldn't keep a next man with him.
All right. Am I fault? You want married me?
What?
Me say if you want married me.
I don't want to marry you.
What me?
Because you only want to marry me out of sympathy. True, the man used to box for a man time, you want to marry me.
Me want married to you because me want married to you.
Well, ask me again. Well, ask me again. You tell me to ask me again.
You know what? Go and wait.
Spider! I'm here. Have yourself. Oh. What's my love? I want you. What's you know? That means so we have to go find a place to get married now. And set date, you know. See, and if my father went there now, It's everything just sell off, you know, cause me, wife, me a turn wife.
Yeah, my girl, congratulations, my girl, congratulations. Yeah, man. Why? Spider. Everything sealed, sign and settle, my youth. What? I saw you drop it, my youth. Good move, you know, good move, man. Come here, tell you, you know. A whole heap of mileage up on the clock here, you know. Yo, man. Wow.
Hey, Spider. Spider, you love me. Me know you love me, no, Spider. Just by the way you look for me, you know. Things you said to me, you know, and that's all that matters to me, you know, man. You know you love me, now.
Yo, Spider. Like how everything settle out. Boss a tune and make a boss a champagne, you know.
Yeah, man.
Bartender bring you a champagne.
Sing to you, no, man.
Yeah, man.
Wait, what? What am I? Can't sing, no, what?
Wait. Bartender.
A brown skin. Girl, me want to wrap you up and lock you in my arms and things. A brown skin. Woman, me love the vibes, I love the spice, I love the passion you bring. A brown skin. Girl, me want to wrap you up and... Yo, watch out, boy! Police! What then? I only left the white girl alone by herself. No. Watch out now. You're not the right place, but at the wrong time. Come with me.
Why wasn't I told about the raid on the club? Well, it's your job, old boy. You're in charge. You sort it out. Get one of your people to deal with it. After all, that's what we pay them for, isn't it? I see. Well, in that case, you'd better make damn sure you silence the little bastard. My daughter's just arrived. We'll talk later.
Daddy. What?
Darling, you look stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Oh, Daddy, stop teasing.
But it's true. So, you joining us on this hunt this afternoon? No. Ah, perfect day for it. Get a bit of colour in your cheeks.
Oh, no, thanks, Daddy. I'm just not in the mood.
Well, tell me about this Australian trip.
Oh, that was weeks ago. No, the reason I'm here today is because, well, I've met someone.
Really? As in, special someone?
Oh, Daddy, he's the most wonderful person I've ever known. As soon as our eyes met, I knew he was the one for me. It was love at first sight. He's tallish, dark, unbelievably handsome, and he makes me so happy.
Oh, my word, that's praise indeed. And this tallish, dark, handsome fellow, you've brought him along to meet me, have you?
Daddy, this is Spider. Didn't I tell you how handsome he is? Daddy, say something.
Have you gone stark raving mad? For God's sake, it's a bloody...
Black? Is that the word you're searching for?
Yes, well, in my day, we called a spade a spade. Oh, for God's sake, Diana, this isn't some bloody refugee camp.
You are being unbelievably rude, Daddy.
Am I? Good. Look, you've just got a little touch of jungle fever. I've seen it all before. In the Sudan, our chaps going with the local girls. Good thrashing knocked it out of them. These people are not capable of love.
How could you be so judgmental? You don't even know any black people.
He is not right for you.
How can you tell? You've only just met him.
Look, have your fun with him by all means, then give him the heave-ho.
Oi, watch out. Me not take no evil from nobody.
It speaks.
How you call it? You want to... Hey.
How dare you, Daddy? For your information, I've spent every single minute, day and night with him for the last week. And I've never known feelings like it.
Oh, I do so hope, Diana, you're not considering contaminating this family's aristocratic blood with that coloured boy's genes.
Oh, I don't care about his colour.
You look for me and call me colored. Me born black. And me a go dead black. But you born pink. And then turn white. You get red like lobster when you go out in the sun. Blue when you're cold. Yellow when you're afraid. And grey when you drop down and dead. So tell me, who color?
And you better get used to coloured grandchildren, because I'm going to marry this man.
How you say?
Oh, for God's sake. His bloody forefathers were slaves, you silly, silly girl.
You can't go on. Long run, short catch. On my time now.
In my day, you'd have been strung up and given a damn good thrashing for addressing me like that.
You don't want to come trash?
Oh, for God's sake, Diana. How can you even consider the likes of him? You can't trust these people. Do you know anything about his background? No. Well, I guarantee he's got a string of concubines and a child on every damn corner of every damn street in Brixton. He buys this garbage to remind himself he's still a slave.
You are wrong. How can you dismiss him like this?
Diana, before your mother died, I promised her I would look after you. Don't you think I've suffered enough with the death of your brother as well? Now you're asking me to give up the only thing I cared about in life to a bloody heathen.
Hey, old boy, you think you know me? You don't know me, no?
Are you threatening me, boy? I fought for this country to give people like you the freedom that you're abusing here today. You need to know your place.
Daddy, stop it.
Well, it's about time somebody taught these bloody people a lesson.
No, Daddy, I will not tolerate this.
Tolerate it? He's threatening me in my own home. For God, he's probably a bloody deportee.
Stop.
Get out of my way. Don't you dare touch her. Get your filthy hands off her. Everything you people touch, you destroy. Diana. Diana, speak to me.
Daddy, I saw them.
Who, darling? Who did you see?
My mommy and my sister.
You don't have a sister. Your mother is dead.
No, I saw them and they called out to me. They knew me.
Mirrors.
Shut up! Look, they were probably those imaginary friends of yours, the ones you invented when you were little.
Rio! Who are you? Daddy. Daddy, there's a black man in the house.
No! I'm me!
Daddy,
Spider.
go and get the gun.
Spider! Spider!
Oh, yes.
Spider!
Yes, I know you. Yes. You're my lover, my fiancé. And there's Daddy, and I know who Mummy was.
Of course you do. You were 4 years old when she died.
How I just come get myself in a room?
Daddy, I never asked you this before, but why did you send me away to that funny place when I was little?
Because you were very sick. Look, I'm not having this regression talk in front of a bloody stranger.
Well, I don't care about that. Just tell me why.
I was protecting you from yourself. For God's sake, almost every day you'd take a knife and start lacerating your body. There were suicide attempts. You were ill.
Mummy, is that you? Oh, Mummy, stay with me a while. Daddy doesn't like me anymore. He won't let me play with his friends.
But she a crackpot.
Will you shut up?
That's what he wants you to think. But I'm not mad. I'm just remembering what happened to me. But you did so.
Don't be ridiculous. You're my daughter. I wouldn't do anything to harm you.
No, not you. It was my brother.
Stop it. Stop it now. Look, you're sick. Let me help you.
Help me? Do you think you've done enough already? Didn't you have any idea what putting me in that mental asylum would do to me? Obviously not. You paid everybody, the doctors, the servants, just to keep the family name protected.
I will not apologize for what I did. I believed it was the right thing to do. You were sick. I wanted to help you. There was no alternative.
Oh, really? And what else have you been hiding from me all these years?
Who the bloody hell is this?
Excuse me, sir, but there's something to see you.
Well, send it in.
Certainly, sir.
Mimi. How are you do down here?
More after the same thing.
Spider? Who is this woman?
Well, I see the jungle drums have been busy. What's your business?
What me I do down here? Well, this here is my future father-in-law. And this is my future wife.
How I said to Miss Spider? And just last week you asked me for Mario.
That was last week.
You just said to me
Him say him no deal with your sort anymore. You get me? So take your ass out of me father house.
Don't girl, nobody a chat to you.
No, but me a chat to you. Everything on who see white girl have on who want. Licky.
Enough of this ridiculous charade! Now, who are you? What are you doing in my home?
My name Mimi.
That name meant to mean something to me?
My daughter.
Oh, I do apologize for laughing, but that's quite preposterous. I am Lord Charles Spencer. I am cousin to Her Majesty the Queen. I could not possibly have acquired an offspring of your hue. So would you kindly tell me what it is you're really here for?
22 years ago, you had an affair with a black woman living in Fulham, London, named Esme Imogen Davidson.
Are you mad? Oh, my God.
Daddy, do you know this girl?
Are you Esme's daughter?
Yes.
Me, blood cloth!
Daddy, I don't understand. Are you saying you do know this girl?
No. But I knew her mother. It was a long time ago, at a rather troubled period in my life.
Not for my mother. Because my mother worshipped the ground where you walk on. And what you think could happen to it? Eh? You think we don't just disappear, so don't?
A black sister? But we're about the same age. How could you betray my mother like this?
I don't understand. How could I have produced such a black daughter?
Weak sperm.
Yo, him. Hold that. That's a lock of your ear. And a lock of mine. The investigator get everything we want. And the DNA test proves say you, I'm a daddy.
Well.
You know my mother love you?
Yes, but it had to remain a secret. After all, how could a man in my position, married man of my class, be seen with a black woman?
I don't believe a word of this. She's obviously just after your money. Let me have a look at that.
How can I make this up to you?
By being my father. You can't take back what last and gone for years, you know. My mother do everything to me. Where you went there?
Don't listen to a word she says, Daddy. Her mother knew that you were married and she should have protected herself.
Believe me, I didn't know anything about you.
Look, I'm sorry for your misfortune, but this has nothing to do with my father.
That's right. Well, no, not trust her, not she a thief.
Listen to me. My father has his real family to take care of, and they will always come before any other bastard children he may have inadvertently produced.
Do you want me to disown her?
This one who yata?
Yes, Daddy, I do. Her mother was nothing more than a whore who set out to trap you. Pretty much like she's trying to trap Spider there. It's obvious. The berry doesn't fall very far from the tree.
Well, I didn't come here to claim anything but what is rightfully mine. A father's love. No. You know what it was like for me for years? About now my bed at night time I wonder who my papa be. And if you don't love me and accept me for who me is.
What do you want from me?
Spency, you some money.
Yes.
You know, you're really very pretty. Very pretty for a black girl.
All black women are pretty.
Look, I want to help you.
Don't you dare. I may have wanted a sister, but not her.
May I have something on your money? May I have something nothing? Man like you feels the money are the answer to all problems, you know, but not mine. But more next week if you understand that now.
Why are you looking at him now?
He's not good enough for either of my daughters, whether black or white.
Me don't want him.
Why not? What's wrong with him?
You can't keep him. Me lick off every part of your body and you can't disown me for that.
You expect me if you go there?
Me know me a wasp spider.
Look here. Women to me are like socks. Me dash them where when them get dirty.
Oh. The same way you plan for dash Diana when a bigger meal ticket come along.
No put no words in my mouth.
Eh?
Diana is different. Me and Diana are going to have some little brown babies.
Whoa, I can't manage.
And get this. Diana give me one of the wickedest ride.
Eh? Yeah, eat that boy. Cause see me lie to me and see me go lie to Diana.
Oi, watch it. My love don't lie.
Why are you over there, son?
Me never tell us I love you.
Yes, you did, Spider.
When? By the way in which me look on you, but not with words. That no mean nothing to me.
Well, it means something to me. I have the right to go test waters and then come back yourself.
Oh, he isn't going anywhere.
Come back. Even if you were the last woman on earth, I still wouldn't want you.
You fucking coward. Imagine.
Now my money bring you up here, sir. Eh? My cross is pussy. Yo. Just do one thing. Now tell nobody me ever make love to you.
Why me? You're frightened?
No. Me not frightened. Me I'm sorry me ever meet nobody like you.
Mimi.
What?
Is Go-Go still at the club?
You know Go-Go?
You know Go-Go?
You like that?
Oh yes. Don't stop.
You like that?
Oh yes.
Eh.
Oh yes.
Me a come now.
Me too.
Me say me a come now, man.
Oh God, yes. Me too, me a come.
Me come.
Oh God. Oh man. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah, God. Oh, God. See what I'm saying? Give me some, please. Give me some. Why?
What the hell is going on here, you right? What is happening?
Oi. Ah. Oi. Oh, God. Ah. What up? How you reach me over this? Wait. I saw me bad? G. Oh, yeah. Where I disturb me for?
Again, you right? Again? Hey, you do this to me all over again.
Hey, anyway. Listen, I want to talk to you.
And with that,
How you call that?
who is she?
She.
And how come you are looking so sprucey?
Oh, yes. She. I mean, you young thing, you see? She coming like Botox. She made me feel 50 years younger. Yeah? Anyway, I want to ask you, see? Yeah, I want to talk to you. I don't want you to take what I have to say bad, but I want you to leave my house.
Which house?
This house. You have been replaced by a younger model.
By that. What does she know? She's a baby, a child.
I am no child.
She could be your daughter.
Well, she's not.
And you could have been my grandmama.
Anybody that chat to your girl?
Listen to me.
What is that, you Roy?
It's over. Leave it over. Just leave.
Leave and go where? This is my house.
Look here, man. Better take a backside out of my place. After all, enough is enough.
All right.
For your place. You think I go and make a little peasant tail girl, dry foot country girl, coming up in my house and put me out over my dead body?
You're right.
Yes, baby.
Swear the deed.
What deed?
Look, just go.
No, I will not. How old are you?
She's 21.
Rock off your jeans.
Look, I just come out before me have to throw you out, all right?
Throw out who? Since when are you the man around here?
Since me get pum.
You're right.
Yes,
Let
darling.
us beat her, make sure her, please.
Come and do it. Piss and tail girl, come and do it.
All right. Don't stop it. Don't stop the fighting over me. Listen, I don't want my sweetheart and my wife to fight. All right? Stop it.
Your sweetheart.
I'm a baby mother. Yes.
Your baby mother. So this little piss and tail girl I breed for you right? Oh, you could be so careless.
Let me forget my boots.
You're right.
Yes, darling.
Hurry up, my man, you get on, you know,
Oh,
yes, what's
You're all I have to know, you're right. You're all I have. We have been through hell and back.
Boring.
I don't want to leave you. You're right.
Stop it.
You're right. You can't just trade me like that.
Watch me.
I deserve much better from you.
I said, stop it. You're too damn set in your ways, you know. Listen, you see Mimi? She will do anything to spice up with sex life. Yeah? Look at her. Look how she fit. Look at her body. Yeah, listen. You see that girl? That girl, she take me to heaven. Yeah, and me still come back. Yeah? Remember that?
Think about what you're doing, you right.
You think about your time.
You're now a old man. You don't have no teeth in your mouth.
Eh? All the better feet are chocho. Yeah.
You disgust me.
Disgust you? Let me ask you, young thing. What you want? Teeth or no teeth? It matter to you?
It don't matter to me, I'm a stud.
You hear? Me a stud. Me a stud.
You're right. You're right. Can't you see you're making a mistake? You're right. I love you. I have always loved you, you're right. Send the little child away.
You mad?
What, man? Give me stuff, man, you call me.
All right.
Man, you call me, you hear?
All right.
Me, have the calamity, yeah? You're on your way to retirement home.
All right.
Say you're going to make she talk to me like that.
Oh, you mean? Am I new pum pum that you know? She can talk to you anyhow she want. Yeah? You hear what she said? She have the calamity. You hear? Listen, if you did have calamity, you think you'd have come to this? Me and you that still a deal. You hear? That girl everybody say, hey, you don't ever hear the song? Give me the girl with the wickedest slam. The kind of girl enough to love up she man. And they say, wow, big here. And me that. And you see when that girl already, she just turn around, give me one, she just say, you right. Back it up. Yeah, man. Yeah, sir. And she kicked me out like this, you know. You hear me say? You see when my youth man?
40 years I have given you, Uriah. I could have gotten rid of you after the first mistake, but I didn't. And now you come to choose some little floozy over me who is not even fit to drink my bath water.
Yo! You smell yourself? Eh? You smell like old people with Canadian Ealing Island camper ball. Eh? When you spray yourself a little perfume, yeah? And turn on the man. Yeah, man? No one I left you. You're coming like the walking dead.
Don't worry. Your dear soon come.
Hey, Granny, come and gone already.
Listen up. I went down to my lawyers, you see, and I changed out everything we own into Mimi's name, you see.
How you do that?
No, how me do that? Hey, all these years you think I alone smart. Me smart too, here. Tricks and trades, but it's boxing business.
You're a bastard.
Oh, thank you.
A wicked old man, but I leave it all in the hands of God.
You right, talk too much, you know.
All right, baby.
But a long talking. From where you're supposed to do, no, man.
All right, me aside to it.
All right, man, hand to you.
Tough, damn, yeah, tough.
You right?
What?
I need to say something to you.
Then say.
In private.
Private. Oh, all right. Come here, sir.
We're not wearing underwear.
Boy. Me Tommy.
And it's all for you, Roy. Isn't that what you want? So I am giving it to you. I can compete with any young girl.
What you say? You never have no baggy?
No.
Eh?
Take it, you
No, put
wrong.
on baggy before you catch cold on your nose, ne? Yeah? Next thing you know, I start sneeze by you. Kushum. Yeah, go put on baggy. When you want if you go without baggy, you go without baggy. No, you see me, I've been nice young kid about you. I mean, I want no baggy. Move it up. Well, with your no baggy self.
If you think I go and make some little picnic come inside of my house and take
As
it
a matter
from
of
me
fact,
and
come on,
make
let
a
me bless
sad
you, no baggy. Yeah?
mistake.
Come on, man.
40 years, you Rura, you cannot do that to
No,
me.
put on baggy, man.
No,
Put on
you're
baggy.
right, you're right. I love you. You're right. You're right. Don't embarrass me like that. I love you.
You embarrass
I
yourself.
have always loved you. You're
Yeah.
right.
Come here, young
40
thing. You
years
come
of my
here, darling.
life
You come.
I have given to you.
I have just found my youth. Listen to me. I'm going down to the Intercontinental to have sex. You see? And when I come back, I don't want to see you here. Your things are already pre-packed. You hear? No, I want you to leave me place. No, come here, make a Z4. You come
40
here.
years I give you, you're
Let me hold on
right.
for you. Let me hold on for you.
40 years down the drain. Lord, what have I done to deserve this? Been baptized in the Holy Ghost. What have I done to deserve this, dear God?
Gloria, we have to talk, you know, we have to talk.
You? What do you want? This is a very bad time.
Very bad time, you better make it a good time, you know.
I haven't seen you for years, so what are you doing here now and out of the blue?
Your son,
I'm going to plead for you in the blood of Jesus. I tell you never to mention that name again, and for your information, my son is dead. Or have you come here for revenge?
revenge? What do you do, woman? I gotta tell you something, you know what your problem is?
Don't come and lecture me, not the likes of you.
You forgot how to be a woman. Yeah, man.
Get out.
You feel say you have to compete with a man in his world by his rules. You can't do that. So you resent a woman like me who don't know, say, if you go outsmart a man, you have to compete with him by your rules, and there is no competition.
I know I am blessed, but you seem to have forgotten what it is you do.
Me did tell you say you're not blessed. Me blessed too. You go on like say you're better than me. You think you're better than me, Gloria?
Yes, I am.
Remember, you know, it was we didn't have the same business. It's just that me learn sooner than you. That man is like carpet. Lay them right the first time and you can walk over them for the rest of your life. Know that.
Tell me what it is that you've really come here for.
We used to get on all right, you know. You used to help me out on things, but it's all like
But
say,
what? Talk? You're going on as if to say me and you're the same age, but I am a older woman to you, so talk.
Me know. Wait. I must be anchored this. What a way you grow big, you turn big woman, man.
I don't know you.
Me never respect you if you know me still, but me a your auntie.
Auntie? I have an auntie? You have a sister, mother? Another deception? Another lying mother?
If you want to hate me, Bianca, then go ahead and hate me.
Oh, hold on there. Then Gloria, you never tell a girl anything about me.
What is there to tell? I ever have sister, same father, different mother?
You know how I make I left that place, yeah.
And I don't intend to see you again.
Going somewhere, mother, running away again?
You did say you had to tell me something.
It's all right. Me tell you another time.
What more can any one of you say to hurt me? No more deception, no more lies. Isn't that right, Bianca?
It look like you want here.
Didn't I just say so?
You sure you can handle it?
Spill your guts.
All right. Jamal.
What about Jamal? What have you done to my man?
Yes, what it is about this black boy?
Him not who you think him is, you know.
Same thing. I tell you, the boy is a thief and a liar.
Shut up! She didn't say that. Always jumping to conclusion. Continue.
Gloria. Jamal, are your son?
Mom's what?
Shut your stinking lying mouth and come out of the house. I have no son. My son is dead. You hear me?
Happy man, happy. Wham, you forgot the little boy you have when he was 15 years old at Jamaica and left him out there in a nursing home. I am same one, the little boy you have after the man take you back to Coronation Street and stalker you. Come go on, like.
Jamal? That means I've been fucking my own brother.
What is?
Dear God, take me life. I don't want to live no more. Dear God, take me life.
Why don't you just kill yourself? Look at all the hurt that you've caused us.
It's all right, Bianca. I know fear of fault one, no.
Isn't it? Everything she does, she hurt us. Are you sure Jamal is our son? You couldn't make a mistake.
Hey, your mama pitney.
My so-called mother. What a piece of shit she turned out to be. You have destroyed my life and any sort of happiness I might have had with your lying, cheating ways. What am I supposed to do now?
Careful, no killing.
I tried my best to be a good mother, Bianca.
You got that right, mother.
Believe me, I really tried.
Because now I'm pregnant with my brother's child and I have to go and kill it.
Now what is?
The Lord would never forgive you.
Fuck you! Is the Lord going to forgive you, mother? Is he going to forgive you? Tell me! I want to know. Is he? Our Father who art in heaven. Did he hear that, mother? Did he hear?
Why are you mocking my God, my Savior? And why did the devil send you here?
Because your son need your help.
I don't care and I don't want to know. Because every time I hear his name, I feel revulsion, sick in my stomach. To me, he is dead.
You're right, he might go dead, yes. Because Spider find out say my informer. Yeah, man. I collect money from immigration and police and I can't use for the yard of them. I'm going to kill him. Boy, want to buy a big house for Bianca.
For me?
He
did that for me?
You're deaf. Gloria, your son need your help, you know.
Was there to help or protect me?
Gloria.
I hear you, Satan. You know, you could have dealt with this all by yourself, but you choose to come here out of spite. Just because I took Uriah away from you.
Oh, that's a whole time same thing. The better woman win.
Liar. I know you're hurting.
Me not say me never vex. Me the vex, yes. When me find out say Uriah, the love of my life. I there with my sister. I no plan to kill a little fucker, yes. I go feed him rat poison 99 every night till he dead. But when he never come home one night and me find out say you in there with, me just say, you know what? If I you want, then I saw. Allow it. And that me do. I let it go. Exactly what I did.
Don't they say that revenge is a dish best served cool?
It is not revenge, you know. Hey, look here. A mirror reflects reality, but is also a perfect tool for deception. You hear me? Little girl, look into yourself and know who you is. You hear me? Don't make this situation and make you bitter. And yes, if you want to check me more time, you know which part me there.
So you can turn my daughter mine against me even more.
You did that yourself already, mother. I run. Away, run. All right, come here, man. Away.
All right. Come from underneath it here. Come from... Look here now, man. I want to hear you. How much time you have to talk to you, man? Look here. How much time you expect me to talk to you?
I'm sorry.
You know me not like chat too much, you know. When me say Allah, You see if me even catch all the next man I look on you. Me kick you till you blow.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm here now, I love you. I'm sorry.
I want you, man. You deliver the drugs.
Yes,
Who you deliver it to?
to £5, just like you told me.
How much money in you?
40,000.
You count it?
Yes. But
But what?
Jamal, he took 5,000. He said that's what you owed him.
You give Batty boy Jamal me money?
No, I didn't give it
Yo,
to him. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, he did. Just take it from me. I'm sorry.
What go on here, sir, man? Where are you doing on my place?
Yo,
Loud the girl, man.
yo, come on, come on, business. Hey.
Yeah.
Touch me, all right? I can look after myself.
Yo, yeah, yeah.
Where about I'll be picking for
Yo,
you?
she deserve it, man.
She didn't tell you that? She didn't tell you that?
Yo, come on, business.
Listen, if Spider says I deserve a beating, then it must be true.
Aye, sir. Yeah, hear me, boy. Yeah, hear me. No man deserves to be abused like this. None.
Ask you.
Yo, watch out. You see if me not discipline her, then she go start in some man soft and start take liberty and me not depend that.
Oi, she's not your fucking punching bag, man.
Yo, yeah.
Warm Spider. You know she said the girl not right here. Hey, that's why I don't like this black-white thing, you know. I pure disrespect it cause, you know.
Listen, if Spider says I deserve a beating, then it must be true. He can do what he likes to me as long as he loves me. I don't care.
You're only there with Spider because you rebel against your people, man.
Is that what you think? He can do what he likes to me. I don't care.
Oh.
And if you think I'm doing this to get back at my father, then you're mistaken. I wouldn't choose a black man to do that. I'd choose a frog.
Now watch out. To me, any woman can be hunted down and taken. She don't want a soft man.
See all man like you. If you hang you up by your balls and kill you. No wonder me left you.
Left who? I want you. You know how much little young girl out the road around me down.
Mimi, what's she got to do with it? Are you still seeing her?
Don't question me, man.
I'm sorry, okay? You know how jealous and overprotective I get of you. But I can give you everything your heart desires. You don't need other women. I'll do anything.
Kill me for me then.
Just say when and where, and she's history.
What? Wait, why Mimi?
Yo, give me gun. Yo, me and Mimi left. But she a eat champ and man like say she a Siamese twin, I mean no depend that.
Yo, Spider, what do you, my youth? We are fuck up the people them picking the head for.
Watch it, Spider. Go-Go's after you too.
So who tell me to do it? No you. Well, right now she a get a little bit too clingy. And me can't deal with that. Yo. And feel like say me chopping a some Romeo and Juliet storybook.
Spider, let me show you something.
Hey boy!
Oi, you no bother with it in there now. No, in my place. No, go out the road with that. Oi!
Spider, kill him!
Kill him for what?
Where my money there?
Yo.
Make no mistake, boy. Chew me a Muslim, I won't kill your ass.
You see you used to be a good looking soldier, you know. I look a little bit cocaine do with you.
I no cocaine do this to me, go.
What then?
I the 17 picnic them when I get.
Hey boy, you ever watch Scarface? Yeah?
Hey what? Hey yo.
Say hello to my little friend.
What, my honey?
What, you not see me gun?
Do I look bothered? You gave me an STD.
What? Bianca, you sleep with him and worse than him and you say you love me?
Shut up, Jamal.
You're a liar. Spider doesn't have an STD.
Well, ask him.
Don't ask me not all. Look here. You think you can catch no STD after one little fuck?
So who did I catch it from then?
See your man there.
It was you.
Why, Bianca, why?
I packed him because you hurt me.
One of the worst me ever get, my youth. Watch out. You complain, boy, you get STD. You know how much girl no get nothing at all.
What did I do, Bianca? What did I do?
Spider, the baby. You've infected the baby with some disease.
I feel your pain, my girl. I feel your pain.
Auntie, what do you mean you feel our pain? What about me?
I feel your pain too.
Auntie. Go, are you auntie?
What are you doing? Crying?
Why not?
Shut up, man. Big one, don't cry.
Well, I do. Bianca, am I not enough for you? Answer me. What more do women like you want? I showed you my feelings. I gave you my heart. You made me believe that you cared and that I was the only man that mattered to you. You know better than your mother.
Jamal, I do care.
Then talk to me. I'm not a mind reader. Tell me what is going on.
Look, it's over, Jamal. It's over.
Over? Bianca, I can't just jump from one relationship to another. I wish I could. Bianca.
Look, things are not right between us.
What things? Talk to me.
Look, there's a lot going on. Look, please don't bother me with all of this.
I'm not doing anything to her.
Look, Jamal, every time I see you, another part of me just dies.
Bianca, have I become so repulsive that you can't bear to even look at me or able to touch me?
Please, Jamal, don't bother me head, please. Just go and ask your mama, okay?
Bianca, my mother is dead.
No. Jamal.
What?
She not dead, you know. She not dead.
What you say to me?
Miss G alive and kicking, man.
Miss G and my mother.
Eh?
No, my mother is dead.
Spider, what you do, my youth? What you shoot the man for?
Him chat too much, man.
Hey, a trouble is now, you know, my youth. A trouble is now, you know. A pure war this is cause now. This not done, you know. Not done yet, so.
Eh?
Yo, behave yourself. Discipline yourself, my youth. Where you do? I'm me run yourself, you know. I'm me control yourself.
There's a new sheriff in town.
Eh? Where you say? Behave yourself.
Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, me never know, say, me never know, say, them your nastiness, you could have so nice. Me feel it, me go come.
Rider!
Do stop at all. Something as sweet, Lord. To God be the glory. Thank you, Jesus. Give a kiss. That was lovely, lovely, lovely. Come.
Buy me rocking chair. I buy me rocking chair.
Isn't she a wonderful specimen, though?
Oh.
Takes me about 20 years.
Oh, who the fuck? Let me just think. 20. You're lucky she never pissed in your mouth. So, Pam, so how come you never give me it like that, Pam rocking chair?
I have seen the light.
And I go and put it out.
To God be the glory. So we're good for the goose. Good for the gander too.
Oh, dirty bitch. Oh, bitch. Wait, let's check the father walking.
Your father? And she's my wife. Your father
Was.
And you, right, was my husband. Hey, hey. To the left, to the left.
We're getting back together again.
Getting back together again? What do you mean by again? Oh God, me can't. What do you mean by again?
Where are funding?
I can't take no more. Oh my God.
So you're not going to help him?
You what?
That's
You
it.
have him house and him money already.
And this baby?
Never pregnant. Never pregnant.
You never pregnant. So me no stud. Oh God. You see it? Daddy? Me no stud. You see it?
Daddy. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Daddy. Yes.
Daddy. 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 What have you done to me, man?
Pussy kill him.
Daddy. What do you mean by again?
Oh, I knew Miss G a long time ago. She was your mother's best friend. You see, my girl, your father is not all that he appears to be. I'm the big daddy, the Don, the real gangster. And I've arranged for your old friend Spider, whom tink him run things, to take a little trip. As we speak, he's on his way back home. As a deportee. And my dear...
Yes, darling.
One final run to Jamaica for you.
Yes.
And we shall retire.
Driver! Don't stop at all!